My name's Joel Tavares. I'm 35. About 8 years ago, I had a hair transplant procedure through Bosley. Got it done. Kind of looked all right. Didn't like it very much. They called me one time, maybe like 2 years later, for a follow-up or something. I told them I hated it. When I got there, they saw that it was bad, and through their warranty work or whatever, they did a second procedure. Still looked bad. So I seen that SMP was new-ish to the scene, and I reached out to Scalp Aesthetics in Houston. Went there, got 2 procedures done. At first it looked decent, but as I started to lose more hair, it just kept getting bad. Honestly, I've never stopped wearing a hat even since Bosley. You know, I've always had to cover my head. 5 years after the bad SMP from Houston, I finally decided I'm gonna have it removed and try to redo this again. So I reached out to an SMP company. I think they were out of San Antonio. They told me just remove about 1.5 inches from your hairline and we could do the rest. So I did laser removal in El Paso, which I live in Odessa, so it's about a 4-hour drive. I did that for about a year of just removing about 1.5 inches of my hairline. Once the 1.5 inches was gone, I reached out to that SMP place, and they had shut the doors. So now I had to do research, and I had to find somebody good, because the laser treatment is very, very painful, and I knew I wasn't ever going to do that again.
Oh, man.
So I did research, and I found Ivan. Reached out to him. I sent him pictures, and he was honest with me. To get the best results, I had to remove everything, not just the hairline, which was pretty devastating for me, because laser treatment for a year, very painful, 4-hour drive just to get there, just to get one treatment done, having to wear my hat, because now I had a bad SMP and a disappeared hairline. Like, now, Ivan's telling me to get my whole head done, and I have to wait another 6-7 months and more painful treatment. But that was his honest opinion. I took it, and it was honestly the best advice I could have gotten. I went and got 4 more treatments on my head in El Paso, and here I am with almost a blank canvas. I trust Ivan is gonna do a good job.
That's insane. Damn, that's crazy. That is crazy, bro. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good, bro. That's crazy. Hey, what's up, guys? Joel Tavares, I'm back. You can see your boy's feeling himself again. We're talking about 2 hair transplants, Botched SMP, 10 laser removal, painful laser removal, over 20 grand in the trash. Had I got it done right the first time, I could have avoided all this, man. So my best advice to all you guys is book your flight, make the drive, come see Ivan, man. It'll get you right the first time. You don't have to go through all the BS that I had to go through. That's all I got, brother. That's all I got, man.